All right. We just finished this Land Rover Discovery HSE. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. Such a beautiful morning. We just did a maintenance wash on it. Just a basic cleaning, windows, wheels, door jambs, vacuuming, cup holders, your normal wiping down the seats. This is the finished product right here. Such a beautiful car. I know last time did like a light wax on it. Well, you know how it go, because try to keep these cars a little bit better, pristine shape. Like I said, we got here this morning, posting 64 degrees today, so that's a little bit different than what it has been the rest of the week. It's been in the 30s and the 40s, so with it being 60s this week, that make it a little different. But yeah, we just knocked this car out. It's all done. Windows, wheels, like I said, interior, whole 9 yards. Yeah, the car completely clean, man. I just need to hit a few spots that I see. We just finished this car, just a maintenance wash. We finished here. We're about to head down the street, which is this next stop, and we got like 3 more stops after. 2 or 3 more stops after that. Like I said, I'm gonna take advantage of the weather today. I hope y'all stay good, stay blessed, and definitely hit that subscribe button, hit them likes, leave a comment.
It would turn into sunshine.
All right. What's going on? We out here at the next stop. We doing this GMC Yukon Denali. We had to wait on them to come out. She had to get a few things out the car. But this same thing, typical debris. We just doing a basic maintenance wash on the vehicle, nothing special. We're not doing any detailing, we're not doing any waxing. But it do seem like she need this car interior detail. But I mean, I swear, like we did a small detail on here last time we was here. But I know she got small boys. You tend to have small kids. They tend to be a little bit more reckless on the car. So, I can totally understand. I need to tell her she needs to invest in some WeatherTech mats. So I'm definitely gonna tell her that today. This is not no paid promotion by WeatherTech, but I always tell people to get WeatherTech equipment, because the WeatherTech equipment is some of the best floor mats to keep your carpet from getting damaged over the years, from dirt, debris, from getting out of all the different elements with the weather, rain, snow, things like that. What's up with you, Rennie? How you doing today?
Man, I'm good. How y'all doing today?
I guess they good. You got a word of the day for us today?
Man, the word for the day is money.
Money.
That's it.
If that's gonna be the word of the day, that might well just be the word of the century. Shit, the word of the decade. It gonna be that money. Yeah, money. Everybody need money, but yeah, definitely you get a chance, man. Hit that subscribe button, and definitely get y'all some money. Hit that subscribe button so it can help me get some money. And definitely hit them likes, hit them comments, hit them shares. And we're gonna go ahead and knock this car out. Like I said, it's the Denali Yukon. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. We just down the street from where we was, so we're not too far from the first stop. But definitely gonna knock this out, and we'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, good afternoon. We just finished this GMC Yukon Denali. Like I said, we out here in Green Hills. The car wasn't that bad. Like I said, like every other car, got your typical debris, your sticks, your crumbs, your crackers, little spillage from coffee, things like that. But pretty fairly, the car cleaned up pretty good. She got her some of those wipeout strips, you know what I mean? Keep the car wiped down good. I don't know how people drink Deer Park water. It actually tastes like it came out of Park Lake. You know what I mean? This water is not good at all. I hate Deer Park water. But anyway, it's kind of weird I'm complaining about water when it comes down to it. Water gonna be one of the most extensive things, no matter if it's dirty or Deer Park, you're gonna drink it. But like I said, we just finished this GMC Yukon Denali. It was just a basic wash and vac, and then it's supposed to rain the next 2 days. Actually just took down the lady's information for Monday at 1 o'clock, so that's good. Constantly getting new business. Actually got to go do a new customer today. She called me off the website, so that's a great thing. The website, getting a lot of good traffic off the website Google, and I really appreciate that. All right, good afternoon. We done made it to this third stop. We still in Green Hills, Tennessee. We doing this GMC Yukon Denali. Rennie, he finna get started on this inside. I'm about to get started on this exterior of the car. It's a little dirty today, so probably spruce it up a little bit more. She never get this car detailed, which she probably should. But I'm gonna hurry up and wash it so I can come in here and like spruce it up with Rennie a little bit. Shampoo a few areas because it seemed like it needed. But like I said, it's like every car, your typical things. You know, crackers, cookies. You know what I mean? Mask. Gotta have that mask on. You know what I mean? But you know, just your regular debris. Got your umbrella. You know. Yeah, we finna go ahead and get it cracking. Like I said, it's a beautiful day out here. Sky all nice and clear. Pretty decent neighborhood. But like I say, car, you know, your typical dirt. Cup holder look dirty. There's a little area right here where you hold your cell phone, stuff like that. But GMC Yukon Denali for a good customer of mine. I did that car like a few months ago. But other than that, we finna go ahead and get this cracking. All right, good afternoon. We just finished this GMC Yukon Denali. Just the basic, like I told you, just the basic wash and vac. But I did go ahead and leather condition her down because it needed. The car had that real ashy look. I don't like when it got that ashy look, especially on this plastic. All this plastic right here, it just be so ashy, you know. So I was like, let me go ahead and give it a good leather conditioner balm. And right now it look good, man. The windows done, everything done. The windows look a little shabby. I ain't gonna even lie. I don't know what's going on. I wiped them down a few times. I'm not sure if it's something in my water. I'm gonna go ahead and discard my water, put some new water in there. But yeah, the car completely done, man. In and out. This is a good customer of mine, you know. So I appreciate her at all times. She came through for a brother in the clutch, like always. I appreciate her. But yeah, we just finished this GMC Yukon Denali. Like I said, it was just a basic in and out. But everything's done. Grill completely clean, wheels completely clean, shined up, like I said. But like I said, I hit it with a little leather blonde. Not sure if you can see how shiny the doors is, things like that. But all right. Good afternoon. Got my man Rennie right here, peeking through the cracks. Who's that peeping through my window? But no, we finna go ahead and peek through this car right here because it's a little dirty. So we're gonna have to go ahead and get it right. This is a lady I told you that who got my information off Google. So right now, we about to go ahead and show her what we do. Show why she recommended us. She actually was out another company that be at where she worked at. But I had to let her know that's not us. There's 1,000 detailers out here. That's the thing about this game. So many detailers. And me not having my van wrap neither. That's another kind of awkward distinctive because they don't know who the company is. There's a few people who got their vans wrapped, but not too much worried about having my van wrapped. Like I said, I had a number on my van before. I had some people call me and saying some rude stuff to me and just acting a little ignorant. So I was like, nah, I don't want that because it, I don't know, it was just some weird situations. But like I said, we about to do this Nissan. I think this is Sentra. About to go ahead and knock this out. So full detail on the interior. We got everything out to go ahead and knock it out. Like I said, I just showed you what it looked like. And we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. All right, good afternoon. We just finished this Nissan Sentra. It was a little dirty on the exterior and in the interior. We completely done with it. We shampooed the seats, shampooed the carpets for her. She wanted her hairliner done, but the material that's up the top of her hairliner is some material that's not really good for cleaning. So it's gonna definitely be hard to clean it. So I have to let her know that's something that couldn't have been done, but I hope she's satisfied with the car overall. I'm finna give her a text right now and tell her she can come out and look at the car. Other than that, we completely done with the car. You know, it looks good. I'm really satisfied on how it actually looks myself. The interior came out pretty good. Didn't expect it to come out that good because of the carpet. But we done. Like I said, we out here in Green Hills. We did 4 cars today. That was the only appointments we had. Tomorrow's supposed to rain. Thursday supposed to rain. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we actually back out here. Already got Monday booked. Getting some on for Tuesday. So far the week and the week ahead is looking great. I appreciate y'all always. Definitely hit that subscribe button, hit them likes, leave a comment, and we're gonna get with you later. Appreciate everybody. Have a great day.